Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. In today's video, I am transforming 3 store-bought items. They were on very good sale, a good discounted price, but they weren't looking the way I wanted them to look, so I just give them a quick transformation. So without any further ado, grab a nice warm cup of tea and let's get started. I found this shadow box at Michael's on a discounted price. So I picked it up and I'm not going to use it as a shadow box. I'm going to transform it. So I'm going to use my stain in Alexandria color and I'm going to give it a really good coat of stain. Now that my stain is nice and dry, I am going to use my homemade white chalk paint and I am going to paint the inside of the shadow box. I'm not going to paint straight up and down in this project. I'm going to go every which way, sideways, lengthways. I want to give the bottom part of this project some texture. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go whichever way my hand will let me go. And I am going to give 2 coats of paint. For the second coat, I'm using a bigger paintbrush. As you can see for this part, I'm putting quite a bit of paint on my paintbrush and I'm just going every which way again. I have added some black handle and made a tray out of this shadow box. It turned out really nice. I'm really loving this tray. I've bought this little planter at Michael's And all I'm doing is using my black homemade chalk paint, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint. Now I am going to use a piece of flower foam. I'm going to cut the bottom part a little bit narrower in order to fit it in the planter. I've bought this greenery garland at the dollar store a little while back, and I'm just going to cut some pieces out of it in order to make a little plant. This turned out very cute, nice and full, and it's a very inexpensive way to create some plants. I've bought these beautiful candle holders at Stoke. The color looks a little pinky, but it's not. It's more of a peach color, and that's not suitable for my project. So I'm gonna pick up some paintbrushes. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna take my black homemade chalk paint, and what I'm going to do is paint all the little detail inside on the candle holder in the black. I'm giving another coat just to make sure it covers that peach color really well. Now that the black is nice and dry, I am going to take my white homemade chalk paint, and I am going to take a sponge brush, and I'm going to sponge the white sideways very carefully, and I'm gonna kind of wipe the paint off my sponge a little bit so I don't have too much excess, and rub that sideways along the candlestick. I ended up putting 3 very light coat of white paint. I'm taking some candles that I have on hand. I want something of a natural look, a neutral natural color as well. And I put it all together and it turns out beautiful. I now am in love with these candle holders. I have put all my 3 projects together and created a nice piece for the center of my coffee table. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the neutral colors. It just blends together very beautifully. Well, that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. I would love to hear all your comments down below. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, well, please do that. Until next time, have yourself a great day.